Hi dear students, today's topic is disproportionation reaction. So here in this reaction, let us define that it's a kind of chemical reaction, a redox chemical reaction in which a same element will be oxidized and the same element will get reduced. So now you will write a chemical reaction in which one element will get oxidized and the same element will get reduced. So this is the kind which will called disproportionation reaction. Before this, you have studied the redox reactions and change in the oxidation numbers and assigned that which element is oxidized and which element is being reduced. Now, we are studying a type of the redox reaction where oxidation reduction take place in a similar element. In a one element, oxidation will take place and reduction. Now, using this example of hydrogen peroxide, this converted into water molecule and oxygen. So, as oxygen is not present in the atomic form in nature, so to balance the chemical equation, we will use 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide. So, using the 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide, water molecule will produce and oxygen molecule will be produced. Now, what is the next step we will use here to see that in this hydrogen peroxide, which element is oxidized and reduced at a similar time? So, to do this, we will first try to assign the oxidation state to each and every element in this reaction, and then we will see what happens. Now, oxygen has -1 because it's peroxide. Hydrogen atom has +1 oxidation state, right? And on the other side of equation, oxygen will be -2 because from peroxide it is converted into normal oxide. Hydrogen will have again +1 oxidation state, and you can see that oxygen is in free state, so its oxidation number here will be 0, right? So writing the oxidation state of all of these elements, now the next step for you will be that you will try to find out the change. What is the change has been appeared in the oxidation states of these elements? And when you write the individual oxidation states, it became very easy for you to compare. For example, we have two type of elements, hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen has no change. Before the reaction started, it has +1 oxidation state, and even after that it has +1 oxidation state in water and in hydrogen peroxide, in both of the forms. Now we have oxygen. Oxygen has two oxidation state because water also have oxygen and oxygen molecule has oxygen. So from -1, first it in water molecule it converted into -2, and in oxygen it converted into 0. If you see from -1 to -2, it is being reduced. Oxidation state has been reduced. It has been decreased from -1 to -2. So reduction take place, right? In oxygen, -1 to 0, it been increased. So oxidation, oxidized molecule will be present in O2 form. Now we can say that what oxygen is oxidized to oxygen molecule, and hydrogen peroxide has been oxidized to oxygen and reduced to water molecule. Is that clear? Now, in order to develop a concept, these are the following chemical equations where disproportionation reaction has been take place. Now, by using the method of change in oxidation number, write the oxidation states of all the elements, try to compare which element has been oxidized and reduced at a similar time, and then you can identify the disproportionation reaction here.